Hi everyone, we're going to evaluate the following integral. So integrate from 0 to pi over 6 for tangent to x. So every time you want to do integration, we try to simplify. As we can see, tangent can be simplified into sine to x over cos to x. So when we simplify into the simplest form of the tangent, sine over cos, and we can analyze here whether we can using the formula of integration. So we can see we have fraction form and our denominator is power of 1. We cannot take out the denominator become power negative 1. So we will look at the formula number 6 involving fraction. So fraction at denominator is not linear, it's a function, is other than linear function. So it's trigo function. We try to check whether we have f prime x, which is the differential function at numerator. If we have that pattern in this special form, we can directly integrate using formula where this will bring the answer straight back to the ln function plus c. So now we're going to observe denominator function is fx, which is cos 2x. And when we want to differentiate this function, differentiate cos, we can get negative sine 2x, and we differentiate angle, we get 2. So therefore, we should get negative 2 sine 2x. As we observe our questions here, we have the function, but we don't have the coefficient. So in order to get the coefficient, what we can do here is we multiply negative 2 at the numerator. At the same time, we divide the negative 2 outside here so that we still get the equivalent value of the questions. We didn't change any question, but we get the pattern of coefficient negative 2. As here we can see, this is our f prime x, this is our fx. Therefore, this question we can integrate directly using special formula. So coefficient, when you divide by negative 2, we have negative 1 over 2 as coefficient. And inside here, integrate of f prime x over fx, it gives you ln of the function, which is cos 2x. Upper limit pi over 6, lower limit, which is 0. So this is definitely integral, we don't need to plus c. What we need to do next is substitute upper limit minus lower limit. So which is ln cos pi over 6 minus ln cos 0. So make sure our mode of the calculator is changing to radian, and then we can evaluate this. So actually we can evaluate using calculator straight away with the button of integration. Put in your lower limit and upper limit and tangent 2x. So you can get your final answer value here, which is negative 1 over 2 and then ln 1 over 2. So if you want to put it in decimal, also can. Alright, so this is ln 1 over 2. Why it is ln 1 over 2? As we can see, cos pi over 6, it is equals to so alright, this is writing mistake here, where pi over 6 times 2, which is pi over 3. So it will give you 1 over 2. Therefore, negative 1 over 2 ln 1 over 2. This one ln cos 0 is equals to 1. So ln 1 is equals to 0. So that's all. This is your final answer.